2020 Subaru WRX hatch. Really beautiful car. Nice black on black. What we got done on it, there's a factory converter, another manifold converter somewhere over here in this vicinity. There's the second. Then it's got a resonator on it, a single, then 2 1/4 pipe. And he had a muffler delete done somewhere else. I don't know where. There and there on Saturday because we're closed now. But he brought it back to us and we did the tips for him. There and there. So we did quad tips black, complete the black look. Came out really nice, really beautiful, as you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. With a muffler delete. What do you guys think? There's sound decibels? 102. Go ahead and back it up. About nice. That's a nice setup. Again? I like it. It's deep. Deep. Let you guys hear on the inside.